Hello, everybody. This is Ed. This time we're rolling through St. Francisville, Louisiana. It's a charming small town located about 35 miles north of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Rich in history, southern hospitality, and it's very popular destination for tourists. This small town is filled with historic sites, particularly antebellum plantations like Rosedown and Myrtles. The town itself is well preserved, historic district with beautiful architecture. St. Francisville offers a relaxed paced and friendly atmosphere. You can browse the unique shops on Commerce Street, enjoy delicious southern cuisine at local restaurants, and experience genuine hospitality of the people. In this video, we're going to check out most of the town. Okay, you're able to see the beautiful houses, historic buildings, and all that good stuff. Also, check out one of the plantations, the Myrtles. Now, that's just going to be a quick drive by. I'm going to drive up on the property, get a glimpse of the main house, and roll out. There is a restaurant there, so the parking lot's gonna be packed. We'll work my way around that and roll out. And the reason why I'll be so quick with it is because it's haunted. Y'all can look that up. That place is haunted, and I don't do haunted stuff. My wife, we came through here years ago when we were living in Atlanta, traveling back home. Uh, she wanted to stop here and take a tour because you can tour the main house. And I sat my ass right there in the truck. Wasn't gonna want to check that shit out. So I let her go in there. She's interested in stuff like that. But yeah, I don't play the ghost stuff. The area around St. Francisville is known as Louisiana's Hill Country, with rolling hills, forest, and the Mississippi River nearby. There are opportunities for hiking, biking, and birding in the Tunica Hills Wildlife Management Area. All right, as of the 2020 census, There were 1,557 people, 762 households, 395 families residing in the town. The racial makeup: white at 1,061, black or African American at 339, Native American at 3, Asian at 10, Pacific Islander at 2, mixed or other 76, and Hispanic or Latino at 66. This is one of the Mississippi River cruise ships docked at one of the ferry landings here in St. Francisville. As you can see, they got the buses ready where the people can load up and then they start the tour St. Francisville and the surrounding areas. And as of 2021, the median household income is 47,273. The median property value is 231,200, and the poverty rate is around 27%. All right, we're rolling up on the Myrtles Plantation. You can tour this place. They have a bed and breakfast here. They have a restaurant also located on the property called Restaurant 1796. The Myrtles Plantation is a historic plantation house and former antebellum plantation in St Francisville, Louisiana, built in 1796 by General David Bradford. It's known for its Greek Revival architecture and its reputation as one of the most haunted places in America. This place has been featured in numerous television shows and documentaries about the paranormal, and it offers ghost tours in addition to daytime historical tours. The plantation house is also a popular bed and breakfast.